Hey guys, on today's episode of Will It Penetrate with Frosty Pine Labs, we have my old smoke detector. It's not chirping anymore. It died, so I figure it's a good time to see if it will penetrate. So 22 out of the Chiappa Little Badger versus smoke alarm. Let's go. Alright, so we have a random federal round, round nose 22. Standard velocity going in, going up against the smoke detector. Will it penetrate? In 3, 2. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Alright, as we can see, we did penetrate. Everything inside is a little wonky. There's our exit hole. Right there. There's our entrance. So, 22 versus a smoke alarm. The 22 wins. It will penetrate.